In this video, I'm going to show you how to set a 50 EMA in MT5. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open your chart and you want to go to the View tab top left and you want to enable the navigator. Now, if you have it already, you can find it over here on your left. Then you want to extend indicators by clicking on the arrow button or double clicking them, and then you want to extend the trend folder as well. Here, scroll down and find the moving average. So I have it over here. You want to double click on it, and then from here under parameters to get a 50 EMA, you want to change the period from whatever numbers in here to 50, shift to 0, and then the MA method should be, of course, the exponential because we want the EMA, not the SMA, and then you can apply to, and we're going to do close. Now, when you do this, you can, of course, stylize it as well. I'm going to leave it like it is by default and click on OK. When you do this, you have yourself a 50 EMA on your MT5 chart. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.